Welcome everybody to another video. It's between Christmas and New Year, and we're fishing the Wimmera River. There's a fair bit of water in it. They're doing sort of a flow through, so we thought we'd come out here to Riverside and have a bit of a fish. The water looks a little bit dirty, but yeah, just fishing with worms and then yeah, scrub worms and just a very small hook. So we'll see if we can catch a yellow belly or a redfin or a carp or even a catfish. So yeah, we'll sit here for a little while and see what happens. So not a bad day, a little bit windy to be going to the lake, so yeah, we'll fish the river and see what happens. All right, we'll get back to you soon with the fish. All right, so had a couple of rings with the bell on this rod, so I reckon there might be something on it. Oop. I'll just take the bells off. No, nothing on it. And whatever it is stole me bait. Anyway, we're going to put another worm on. We'll see what happens. Got a fish on here. It's a big carp. What do we got? I left the bail open. Took some line, took a lot of line. What is it? Hasn't come to the surface yet. There is a carp. Oh, got him. First fish of the day. He's not a bad one. Anyway, had to leave the bail open so to just eat the worm and run. So anyway, we'll get him off, put another worm on. But yeah, first fish of the day. You beauty. Saw the line running again. We'll see if she takes off. I reckon it's about to. Here it goes. Oh, missed him. Just took the bait. Anyway, seems to be the way to go. Leave the bail open, let them run, and yeah, let them swallow the hook. But this time it just pinched the worm. Now I'll get another worm on, and yeah, get the line back in. Alrighty, just had another run on this rod, so we'll see if it goes again. Nice fresh scrub worm on it, open bail. See if she takes off. Oop, it's going to go. There it is. It's going slower this time, so it may. There we go. It's a bit more of a tentative bite. we're on. What do we got? Oh, it's only a little. Ah, it's a little silver. How small's that? Oh, I'll get that off. Anyway. Another fish on here. What do we got? Another silver. Well, seems to be the open bail, seems to be the go. So anyway, I'll get this one off and I'll put him back into. Got a fish here that's taken all my line. Whole lot of it's off the reel. Just got a bit back on it. I reckon this is a big carp. Or had no line left on the reel at all. Haven't had that happen for a long time. It's a big fish. Took off while I was getting that other silver perch. Oh, must be a big tree out there. Slowly dragging him through it. I reckon this has got to be a carp to run like that. Oh, took every bit of line that I had on the reel. Lucky I had it knotted on properly, the rest would have all been gone. Could be a catfish. Catfish run like that. Oh, we're getting him. Jeez, what is this? Whatever it is big. Either that or it's stuck in the trees. It's still coming through though. Ah, that's like a... Wow. I have no idea what that was. Jeez. If the rod wasn't in the holder and the line wasn't tied on, I would have lost the whole lot. Look at that. Oh no, I've lost my hook. Anyway, I tie another hook on. But wow, whatever that was a good size. So anyway, I'll get another hook on there and we'll get it back out there. But yeah, whatever that was, we'll never know. Got another fish running here. Hopefully this one doesn't spool me. Oh, I've got this one in the same spot. What do we got? Oh, just let go. Oh, that's how we just got the scrubbies, just on a hook, little sinker. Flick it out. Rod holder in there. Leaving the bail open. I'm just waiting for it to pick it up. Didn't take too long, about 5 minutes before it started taking line. It's just taking it slowly this time though. There it goes, flat out this time. Ah. Oh. It snagged me. No, I got him. Whatever it is. Got a tree on there. Got rid of that. This fish has stayed down. What do we got? Another silver. Another silver. A lot of silvers. Anyway, I will get him off and throw the worms back out. He's probably 25 centimetres. Anyway, I'll chuck him back in. Anyway, this rod does not stop tonight since it's got a bit on dusk. I reckon this is another carp. Or maybe something else. Another silver. Another silver. There it is. Another silver. Oh, I'll get him off and put him back too. We're on again. It's only little though, if it's still there. No, it's like a... I'm only fishing with just a hook now because I lost my sinker, so I just thought, oh, I'll just cast out a hook and do it that way. So anyway, we'll try again. Okay, so I've got a fish running with this. I'm just hoping it hasn't grabbed the tail of the worm. As soon as it goes to take off quick again, I'm going to strike it, see if we can hook it. Yeah, I might have it, maybe. Must be a tree out there. What do we got? Now we got a little catty. Nice little catfish. It's only a baby. Anyway, I'm going to get him off and put him back in the water. Oh, what have we got this time? This is a decent fish, whatever it is. I'd say it's another carp. Let's come to the surface out there. What is it? What do we got this time? Another silver. Another silver. Now, they're all about the same size, so anyway, I'll get him off and put him back in. Well folks, that's a nice end of a fishing session at night time or this afternoon. Fair few fish caught, a lot of silver perch actually, 2 carp and a catfish. It's a spot I come here regularly, but I haven't been here for about 3 months, so it's yeah, but the river's high, so it's fishing really well. So the silver perch, well, yeah, I'd rather be catching yellow belly, but they've stocked it with heaps and heaps of silver perch, and that's what we're getting at the moment. So but yeah, maybe not. Anyway, it's been a good day's fishing, good afternoon's fishing, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope you liked the video, and hope you like this little spot down the river. It's about 10 minutes out of Horsham, so yeah, not a bad spot. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.